POV, people, opinions, and voice. Today we have something very different like we have our really good friends with us here today. Please introduce yourselves. Hello, I'm Trisha Zaid, currently pursuing communication design, and I'm a final year student there.
Hi, I'm Krisha Srinivas and I'm a freelancer and a baker.
So today we are going to play some fun games, of course keeping in mind our main agenda of understanding why youth is not voting and how we can encourage them to go out. Just like our favorite line goes, "Boon boon se sagar bharta hai." Every vote counts. So let's get into it.
Okay, so now we'll be playing Would You Rather, where we will ask them some questions and they will have a choice between two things that will give them dilemma and they'll have to choose. But this is the election version of Would You Rather. So the first question I would ask is, would you rather vote at 7 a.m. or be forced to attend an 8 a.m. lecture?
Oh, that's an interesting
No, that's interesting question. I think I would enter the class at 8 a.m. The idea of my sleep.
It's interesting. I've voted at 7 a.m. also and I voted in evening also. So I prefer voting and then I'll go for my lecture. I would rather actually vote at 7 a.m. and then have a holiday after that. Yeah, the college. So coming to the next question. Would you rather binge watch reels all day but lose your right to vote, or give up social media for a week to make your vote count double?
Wow,
As much as we love to binge watch reels, voting is also important. I mean, if we have a strong point of view and if you want the right person to come ahead, then we'll obviously choose to not watch and cast our double vote.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, I will go for the second.
Wait, like you have to be completely informed and aware of the whole process to like get a double vote section very significant. What would your choice be?
This is a difficult choice, but I think voting is important. So ideally, I would choose the second one.
Yeah, exactly. So awareness is the main issue. Tackle.
Also, on the next question, would you rather click through a digital ballot or physically go to a polling booth?
Oh, wow. If there's a digital option, then sure it is the option because in digital you have the privacy, you have the personal your screen to vote, and I think we all value time nowadays, and
I have to skip the line of So yeah, preferably digital ballot, but उसमें एक सिचुएशन रहता है लाइक हम लोग एक साथ हमारे कॉलेज की वेबसाइट पे अगर लॉगिंग करते हैं वहाँ अगर वो क्रैश हो गया एंड उधर ऑलरेडी लाइन लगी हुई है तो क्या करेंगे यू नो सो दैट क्वाइट अ सिचुएशन होता है एक से ज़्यादा वेबसाइट से यार हर इसका अलग so I think digital will be preferable for everyone. But crash होना and stuff will be a more headache.
Okay, so now we have sorry, students. And we are going to play a game of fact or fake, where each of us, we don't know each other's questions, so we don't know what is fact or what is fake. It's just testing our knowledge and awareness about the voting process and vote elections. So everyone asks each other a fact or a statement, which is either fact or fake, and they answer. And if we get it wrong, we research ours. So let's begin.
Okay, I'll go first, Shah. Okay, I think this was easy, I hope. So, first-time voters are often targeted in awareness campaigns.
See, that's a fact. You think that's a fact?
That's a fact.
First-time voters, right?
Yeah, first-time voters. That is us.
Yeah, actually, was that a fact?
Yeah, fact. You need to fact. I think it is fake. Okay, according to me. Because target क्या होता है? Target से पूरा जो भी vote कर रहा है वो साथ रहेगा. According to me. I think it's I will go with what is written here. Okay, so fact, fake, fact.
Yeah.
Going right. The correct answer is fact.
Oh.
The anticipation. Go say go. While this I first sacrificed this person. Having lived together, I may be drinking with an egg spoon.
Okay, so you must renew your voter ID every 5 years. It's a fake. I voting in this 5 years. No, it's a fake. I think it's a fake. But my parents recently renewed it because there was a new chip which came with the voter ID. अब कुछ नया add हो रहा है voter ID में तो I think that you have to renew. Like, that makes sense. I call it my parents are on the doing it in voter IDs is like whatever people who got for the 90 So I think it's fake. It's fake. Yeah, it's fake. You don't have to renew it every 5 years. It is permanent. So there's the expiry for your voter ID. But if there's any change with your in your information, then you have to put it. Okay, next one. This is a good question. So fact or fake? Most youth believe that every vote can lead to change. And for the most youth believe that every vote lead to change. Actually, psychology does not believe in change. This is a very subjective. Yeah, it's like a subjective decision. I mean, I would say just in general. I would say most youth believes. Yeah, because a lot of you don't believe that what is question things that every vote can lead to change. Or I in some with them. I think it's fake. I think it's a fact if you're coming to like lookish thing. Every vote counts, you serve and all. In that sense, it's a fact. So it's actually fake. If you look, most youth does not believe their vote will lead to a change. And that's why they would come out with vote. Because their vote se count, that's actually surround. Understand that. It's good kudos to you because you believe that you will just so. Please this is nothing compared to an attitude. I have to pay positive attitude. With Pukka Brownie coming. Yes, you will get them now. It is for me. Do I really need to? Yes. One last time. Come on, you can do it. Okay, then it's a sad thing. He just wants to come to.
Hi.
Okay, next one. Campaigns like sweet aim to encourage youth voting. क्या है वो? What is sweet campaign? You should know what sweet is? No. Okay, so well, just if I answer that question, then this is the point. So I'm just going to tell you what sweet is. Sweet is a campaign started. It's a flagship program which was started by the Election Commission of India. The full form is Systematic Voter Education and Electoral Participation. So it's actually a program which is promoting youth voting. Youth voting, but in general also voting. Voting literacy in India basically. Yeah, actually ना ये सब चीज़ें elections के पहले है ना ज़्यादा आनी चाहिए. Add a link of a sweep ka website in the description box below. So please go and check it out. It's a really good initiative and you'll get a lot of information from that. Okay, so let's wrap it up. It's gone. Bye guys. It's the end of the Bye. Thank you for tuning in, guys. And we'll be back with another episode of POV very soon. So stay engaged, stay focused, and remember, every vote counts.